This Maverick and Noni type of situation was giving content vibes until Unoni released a statement. That's when I saw what yazini. Shit has definitely hit the fan. Like this thing is so real to a point of which abadlali labantu. It's no longer for likes, it's no longer for engagement, it's no longer for Facebook monetization because that was what was going on through so many of us. Our minds were like, no, these people are definitely doing this for content. They are doing this because bafuna imali Mark Zuckerberg. As I was always saying, what they are going through is so real, and it's so unfortunate ukuthi iyenzeka ngesikhathi whereby uNoni has been nominated. Yabo, so naye uze uyasho ukuthi yazini kwaze kwaba yibhadi lami ngoba manje ngithi ngiyavela nina sengiloko nibhizi ngithi hey ufuna ukuthi simvotele athi hayi it's not about ukuthi ngivotele. This is what I've been going through and this thing has been going on for 2 full effing years. Imagine thina sibabona abashuda abashayela i-content bedatha sithi saba well kwaze kwaba mnandi ngifuna nami ukuzitholela owami uMaverick kanti kuphila umfana abantu uyagowisha uhlalele umlilo ovuthayo hayi bokwazi wayimbokodo wenoni. All this time, all this past 2 years kaTwena nje ubhizi uyasiyeka lapho sithi sifuna indoda efana noMaverick waze wakuthengela ngisho nemoto i-Audi kanti maybe that was a sign of apology ukuthi yazini ngiyaxolisa mngani for all the things that I put you through. Thina lesi sikhathi uyasaba wedding sithi yeyi that's why ungayihalela into yomuntu kwasho ufeza wathi ungabe ihalela impilo yomunye umuntu ngoba wazi ukuthi la ehamba khona ufike kanjani. You get when uvele ubona nje ama-highlights kanti yeyi the behind the scenes ziyakhala kayizini ziyabuya emshadweni ziyabuya emendweni. Abantwana and apparently it is alleged ukuthi ubhudiza useyithathile i-Audi for sure uyonikeza lo muntu because my girlfriend actually the standard is you must drive. I'm not gonna be out there picking you, fetching you. You got the vibes. Ukuthi mawumfazi wakhe nje a soft life ube ngithelelele maybe nje ubone ngathi asazini bring back the car since you don't want to be in this marriage, since you don't understand ukuthi ngithithile ngenza i-mistake you can't forgive me yazini lethi imoto yami ngihandi lethi imoto yami ngiboka ukuthi nje uzobuya ugijima ufuna imoto uthi hey baby I want you back because mawuba ngokuba yi-passenger princess ukuba uyabo uku-driver nje kumnandi kanjani abantomazana bakusawela bathi she's so young but she's driving an Audi. But now girl has to suffer because now i-Audi ihambile. Now she has to be out there tolerating those rude, sometimes rude Uber drivers. Ngelinye ilanga abantu azithole sikapintshene nathi lapha ematekisini sidatshukelwa yimpahla. Iyayibona la hey kuningi and she is alone unfortunately. Ngapha abantwana bazobabuza ubaba yo ngapha yithi sizabe silahlekelwe yileya content that they were giving us, that they were selling us all this mother every time. Kuningi like kuningi kuhlangahlangene yazini uthi sathi 1+1 is 2 kufike enye ethi sinoko hayibo. And into ebuhlungu ukuthi uze uyasho ukuthi ngelinye ilanga ngabuya early emsebenzini uma ngifika nje ngemangele nje ngikhola ngikhombromi ngisawu baby ukuthi mina nawe shadile so what are you doing with this thing? Uthi indoda uyamtshela ukuthi hayi wena ubuyele loko la uzongibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani the vibes. Usisi wathi okay it's fine she let it slide anti kuphi since la umamazi lo wakhe but manje mina ngicala manje i-pregnancy kanti hey yabo indaba zabantu zizokustressa like and now like awuhlakani one in one adela two. And usisi uyasho phela uthi njengoba abantu bacanga ukuthi mina ngiyenzela i-content nisakhumbula mara ngoDisemba noJanuwari lapho bengizaqe ngiluze ne-weight nize ningibuza nithi oh you've lost so much weight ngithi gym goals babies if you wanna lose weight go to the gym kanti namanga if you wanna lose weight date uJonas uzobona i-weight yakho iyehla every day usathi 34 jikijiki uthi 32 usathi ubheke 32 umangale sowuthi 28 amajini seyawa wazi kahle ukuthi yabo manje sokukhona uJonas empilweni yakho usuyakugilima ngantombazana we-ona. hayibo. And yazi sisathi re a kgotsa ra eyi mara di dintšhi ditaba tše kwi fika omunye-ke umjingo wathi gqigqigqi nge-Facebook post wathi yazini ithini nginitsheleni udaba nikele ibhizinisi uMaverick ungazathi umntana sekhaya umuntu o-wrong kuphi wasekhaya umuntu o-right kabi-ke loyo wathi yambona lo sisweni lolo nimkhalela uNoni wayehlezi edimanda ethi ufuna lo efuna kumele angadimandi okumele angadimandi mntana abantu abona into zomshado nomjini nabo alawo lo bhizi bokubiza umfazi kamfowethu uzokhala and umuntu okhulumile igama lakhe uNontobeko khuluma I don't know how she or he is related to who happens to be uMaverick indoda kaNoni but ugirl or uboy was like hey woke up let me explain this situation before you get it wrong but the facts the files the scandal the everything in between and you know Mazo poster Facebook post Facebook asks you how are you feeling usisi wathi I'm feeling annoyed yazi nathi ngidingeka isiqefe wathi akandidiki lo mfazi elokwebhizi eqamba amanga ngobhuti wami wathi hey I'm here to set the record straight because uyazini I'm not gonna have my brother being spoken about as if he's someone that is useless as if he's someone that is a liar who doesn't care about you hey wayemkhasalela lo muntu waze wadima umfowethu wazi futhi uNoni bekumele aqhaze kahle ukuthi yabo mina I was demanding mina bengaphekeli indoda abantu kanti bemiyala bathini azange bamtshela ukuthi uyaphekela indoda ngoba thina sizobathi libobaphekela nibaphekela yena bekakuphi Osho mntana abantu bekabhizi ne-content that time abafazi bekhuluma ukuthi phekela indoda but anyway mina ngizazi ukuba mina nje nokushada ngaze ngashada kodwa ngisho nami ngiyazi sibikela phela thina the perfect wedding sibazi bathi uboyiphekela indoda uyiphekele uNoni wathi hey kancane mama ngisayithi toilet kanti uyothatha ividiyo ejayiva but unfortunately that part slipped through her ears because yena ubekayenzani bekabhizi ne-content but I'm joking guys bengangithathi personal phela na before bengihlafuna nazo nje ne-heart attack wathi usisi ekupheleni lapho ubemshaya bathi nje bokuyi-Rey Mysterio bokuwu-Big Show makasaphathe ulona uMaverick bathi hey bekashaya i-WWE SmackDown bekangadlali bathi kuphi plaza ngisho niyamazi uNoni umuntu oguga insimbi bathi akadlali athi akazigugeli mahhala phela leza insimbi bekaqalile nje wangena ejimini wabuya wabona ngathi uMaverick nje abazwani kahle bathi hey bethi woza la mbambe kanje damlahlelele usho bani kusho uNtontobeko and then bathi another thing bathi nasekamereni bekudansa amakufunani so I'm not understanding the context ikamera nokudansa are they talking about the content eshilayilayi or are they talking about vele lama-TikTok dance angi-understand but if usho ishilayilayi bekusekuwesi phela abafazi masekunjalo wangumshadi maqeda eziwala ngenkomo kanjani bafazi kanjani bafethu hayi bekurafu loya mshado-ke mangabe this is what I'm thinking he bana sikhala sisingili ukhale nabantu abashadile njani make it make sense njani wathi nje thina siyifamily yakamqoka dala sambonga ugel dala sathi yazini siyabonga ngalona yena cela usitholele ongqono cela usitholele ongqono hence why probably the family celebrity but umlahlile wenze kahle webhuti dala sikutshela ukuthi yazini yabona la aniyindawo nini and it's so sad because at this time what uNoni needs is a family that's going to sit them together and say you know what this thing is fixable but when you find ifamily kutshela ukuthi thina futhi siyambonga hayibo geli waze wanzima emendweni waze kwanzima ngaze ngabamba nefike engekho wathi futhi-ke usisi Nontobeko wathi umqoni ize nimbone azaqonye kanje wathi kukhona izinto omele azanqenge iminyaka ukuze zenzeke I wonder what are those things yes bathi nje hayi eloku encenga intombazane sengiqala ungenzela ukuthi intombazane ethi cha uzozwa ngami ngithi asiyenzile phela ngisho bathi bekhala esikaNoni isiqathule kuleya relationship be yazi ngiyamzwela uNoni, ngiyamzwela guys, ngicela simvoteleni awine so that bazobona ukuthi thina as imbokodo uma sithi we stand with another sister, we stand with our fellow sister, sisho ukuthini? Bukani uThandeka Samenzelani. This thing that they are doing to Thandeka, please let's do it for Noni. Angazi kuvotwa kanjani but I will put it down at the end of the video. Uma ungayibukela ekugcineni ngizofaka ama-detail ukuthi yazini asivoteleni uNoni Muji hore keng yona eo re ndireleng botho re mmontshe gore rona re le basadi re dimbokodo tsa South Africa, we can do it. Kamnandi kanjani? Kabuhlungu kanjani? Wathi enye into before ngimphaphele umqondo, nazi ukuthi ulunge kabi umqondo. He did not cheat, uvele wamove on. So usisi aka-understand ukuthi umqondo akakuchithelanga, utshele kahle wathi yazini lento esiyenzayo uyedala. uNoni uthi wuye ophumile but according to uNontobeko umqo kushuthi wuye olahla uNoni ngoba umqo moved on. Hey, kuningi simangele ngiwani ngizama ukuhlanganisa ngithi one plus yazi nemethi nale methi nje ayihlangani ngithi algebra ngithi geometry kuthi next. Ngibona ngathi kufuneka le basic maths ngoba le yami le pure maths ebengifile esikoleni ngathi nje hawukopani jwang mara. Sengibhizi nje ngihlanganisa amathambo engqondo nje akuhlangani. Ngithi ngiyagula nasesangomeni, isangoma asiboni lutho. Hey, ngisho nabaphansi nje manje baku-load shedding nje akuhlangani. Kuningi. And a lot is going to happen and we are going to dissect piece by pieces. And I hope ukuthi this video I was able to dissect the whole story ngoba yazini